This a urgent message. Please listen carefully. A mandatory evacuation order has been issued by MMR areas for Evacuation Zone A, and a voluntary evacuation order has been issued for Zone B starting at 2 p.m. today due to unknown disaster from MMR Vocational School. This includes your location. For your safety, you must evacuate your home. Ensure all persons and pets living in your household are evacuated. Take critical items including important papers and essential medications with you. Turn off all appliances and lights before leaving your home and lock your home. You will not be able to return to your home until instructed by local officials. As a last resort, emergency shelters are available. You can find shelter information including what to bring with you at centgov.net/stasafe. For updates, please monitor local news outlets, or follow it at @MyZalisRS on social media or call 921 MMR.